Hi guys, Steph here. What have we got for you today? Well, what we've got for you today is a pen that I showed you very briefly on my last pen haul video. And I said I'd come back and do a review on the pen. And here it is. Well, you can see what it is. It's the Sheaffer. And there we have it. It's the Sheaffer Connaisseur fountain pen and ballpoint. So let's take the pen out, let's take the ballpoint out, let's pop the box to one side and let's show you the ballpoint first of all. There we go, a matching ballpoint. So as I say, what we've got is the Sheaffer Connaisseur. This is the 810 model. As you can see, comes in black, gold plated trim. It's got the white dot to the top, the slightly domed top there. Okay, so that's the ballpoint. Let's pop that to one side and let's show you the fountain pen. So once again, the Connaisseur 810 model. This is actually what they term as the first edition. It's a lovely pen. It was from the date they launched it, around about 1986, and the first edition went through to 1989. It's a lovely, yeah, I would say a slightly oversized pen. The size of it capped 140mm capped around the barrel. It's a lovely chunky 12mm in diameter. As you can see, slightly domed end of the barrel there, and that matches the top of the cap there, slightly domed. We've got a gold plated band to the bottom of the barrel, and then if we take you up to the cap, you can see you've got two cap bands there. They're very recognizable Sheaffer clip, and this one's what we term as a ball clip. And if you notice to the very top there, we've actually got Sheaffer written on the clip. Now the first edition came with the Sheaffer written on the clip, and then as I say, the second edition 1989 had a plain clip, and the Sheaffer was then written on the cap bands. So that's the difference between the two. And also I believe the nib on the second edition was slightly different. Back to the cap there, you can see it's got the white dot to the very top, another gold plated cap band to the very top of the cap there, and again the domed top. Very desirable pens. These particular pens came in, this one is what they term as the black resin. Again, the later version I believe was a lacquered brass pen, but this one black resin, or that's what they termed it as. Very sought after pens, very desirable, and again for me personally a lovely sized fountain pen. Now there we go, let's take the cap off, which unscrews. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Absolutely stunning fountain pen. It's a lovely weight as well. It's got a nice weight to it as well. Now this one was actually, well, it's actually one of two pens that was ordered from a good customer of mine. This one will be going home to Bahrain. There we go. So these pens, they go literally all over the world. So this one and the one I'll show you in a moment, going to Bahrain. Now the section there, slightly stubby section, another little band to the very top there, and let's show you the nib. What we've got for you is a Sheaffer, what we term as a monotone nib, 18 carat, 750, and then at the bottom, made in USA. There's a sideways view for you. There's the feed underneath. Everything is lovely and clean. And one thing hopefully you'll notice, look at the tip of the nib there. We've got a lovely italic nib. So as I say, a lovely, actually this is actually perfect for my hands personally, having large hands. It's a lovely chunky, slightly oversized fountain pen, absolutely lovely. Now when it came to me, it had no fill or anything. Incidentally, these are cartridge converter pens, but what I've actually done somewhere, I've actually got a converter which I'll send with this pen. This is a Sheaffer converter. So what we're going to do, we're not going to fill the pen because, as I say, it's going to the customer. But what we'll do, it'll be interesting to see how this nib actually writes. So we'll just simply do a dip test. So dip it in the ink there and let's see how it writes. How do we spell this? I think it's E-U-R, I think. Sheaffer Connaisseur. The number is 810 and the date 1986 through to 1989. Writing very nicely, and there we go, look at that. On the downward stroke, we're getting a wide line, on the cross stroke a thin line. Lovely writer, lovely line variation, as you can see there. So it's a lovely italic nib. Incidentally, let's just show you, if we pop that down, there we go. So we've also got a ballpoint pen. May need a new cartridge soon, but as you can see there, the ballpoint writing in blue and the fountain pen writing with this lovely line variation. So we'll pop that to one side. We'll clean that nib before it goes in the post, and there we have it, the Sheaffer Connaisseur 810. Very desirable, very sought after pens, becoming very collectible. Incidentally, they came in numerous different, a number of different colours, some lovely patterns, etc. But this one, as we said, black resin. Now apart from this particular pen, you also saw this one. I've put it into a nice Parker box. I also showed you this one. This is also a pen ordered by the same gentleman. Unfortunately, when I received it, it had a broken shell. As you can see, we've put a brand new shell in there. It's got the converter fitted with it, and what we've got here is the Parker Cumulus fountain pen, one of the Cloud series from Parker. Now what I'll do, I'll leave you a link here. I showed you the same pen a long time ago, but I'll leave you a link. You can go and have a look at that. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. I hope you like your pens, Ahmed. They'll be on the way to you quite soon. Don't forget people, leave a comment below, don't be shy, subscribe as well. down below, give the video a thumbs up, and wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.